guys! So, I was unattended and sleepy, and I may have subscribed to Wantable. And I'm excited. I have my first box. It's heavy, so I didn't, hold it up yet. But the things I'm hoping to get out of this is I have a habit of buying, solid colored t-shirts and solid colored leggings and then just wearing them until they fall apart. I like the idea of having more interesting style pieces. There's still something I can wear to work. So I'm hoping I can get some fun stuff out of this. And I got this box, and it's big and heavy. And I thought I would open up with you guys, and then we can do some trying on. So yeah, they have all sorts of little paper stuff about the structure, some kind of thing about getting some wine, so a bit of a coupon, another thing about how to do it, and then it's wrapped in paper. Ooh, and there's a little bag you can use for returning it, and whatever this is. So, first thing I see is this. Ooh, this is a black wrap top. So, I like these things. I could be very interested in this. I'll have to try it on to see how deep the plunge is, but I have to try everything on, so I don't know why I'm saying that like it's new. So, this is interesting. And the thing I saw as soon as I opened up the box is this. I wanted to know what it was, because I'm surprisingly excited by this color. Okay, so it's just kind of like a sweater with some nice arms that actually look like they're big enough for my arms. Bit of a blunt cut. So, probably not the most exciting piece, other than the fact that it's this color. But it looks kind of comfy. Head hole looks a little bit small. I like wide, loose things on my shoulders. But we'll see. Oh, I should probably be telling you. So this sweater is $74. I already chucked it over the shirt over there for trying. We'll see what that costs. The next piece is another something black. What are you? Ooh! This seems to be just kind of a black sweater with some cinching at the waist. Yeah? Yeah. Oh no. So yeah, black sweater. I like sweaters. And this is $58. So it's a cardigan. Oh, they sent me pants. Oh, this is going to be interesting. So they sent me some Tomboy Classic Fit jeans for $84. We shall see. I am kind of particular about how jeans fit, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully they're good, because I like the style. And it looks like they've got nice short legs, because I've got nice short legs. Ooh, this looks interesting. I like this already. Ooh. Oh, I could be very into this. So it's just kind of like a scoop neck with that nice little detail. Long, floppy olive green dress, which I like floppy tops. And I really like that detail. Oh. And this one is $58. Oh, they sent me another pair of jeans. 2 more pairs of jeans. So oh, this is a jacket. We could be interested in this. I like jean jackets. I haven't had one in forever. It's a nice acid-washed jean jacket. And it doesn't want to tell me what it costs. Who knows? I'm guessing we'll find out later. Okay, and then this is another pair of jeans. So this are girlfriend jeans. Again, short little legs. That sounds good. Cute little closure. And these are $94. So, we'll see how these things fit. I'll be back. Okay, so this is a surprise. I actually really like these jeans. They're actually like a nice, tight, but comfy fit. They go high enough up that I like. I don't like things down here or things that don't fully cover my butt. They're really comfy. They actually hit a nice little ankle length. The sweater is nice. I'm not sure if I don't know. It's not super fancy, so if I'm going to pay, that's not going to tell me what it is. If I'm going to pay a decent amount, I kind of want it to have more style happening. What is that? There's literally just light. Okay, cool. So, first thing, nice. Potentially interested in the jeans. Alright, so this is the top, and I am surprisingly very into this. It's simple, but it's a really nice fit. I like this. I like that it's slightly high-low, so it gives a little bit more butt coverage. And the sleeves are comfy. They're not tight. They're a little long, but I've got short arms. This is the same jeans we had 5 seconds ago. So, interested. Okay, so the top, I was a little confused about how I felt about it until I saw it. It looks really cute. You can't see it that well, but it's really nice. This does hold kind of in a nice spot where it won't show any extra cleavage. The jeans, I don't know. They're not like a bad fit. They feel a little tight on the calves. Like, they're fine on the thighs. And I'm not the biggest fan of skinny fit, so these are probably not going to be kept. Although, again, surprisingly good fit. Normally, things are weird on me. Who knows? But this top is cute. Okay, threw on the jean jacket. It's cute. It's a little big, which is generally how I like my jackets. I am sad that there are no side pockets, and I'm wondering, ooh, is that a price? No, that's the price of the t-shirt. I'm just starting to think that this is probably not something I'm going to want for whatever they're going to charge it for me. I think this is something I might pick up for like $20, but I think everything in this is $50 and above. So, and I threw in a t-shirt so we could look at the cardigan. Meh. Like, it's not a bad fit. The sleeves are a little tight, but those tend to relax with wear. It's got this part that goes in, but it just doesn't really go that far in. And, like, it's cute, but I already have stuff like this, so I don't think I need to buy this for however expensive it is. Okay, so I just completed my little order, so I want to let you guys know what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. First thing I'm sending back, unfortunately, if I could get it right side out, is this bright coral sweater. It's a good fit, and it's comfy, but it's nothing special, and for $74, I want this to be really special. And the color, though interesting, is probably not the most flattering for, yes, you can just see how it's just making me look sick. So, I might have liked this if it had a little bit more detail and it was a slightly different shade. So this is going back. Another thing I'm sending back is this cardigan they sent me. Again, not a bad product. A little bit sheer, as you can see. It's kind of thin. I wear a lot of sweaters at work because I just like to have sweaters on. I feel like it's one of the things that helps move my my outfits from really, really casual to slightly more businessy. And I don't know, something this sheer just doesn't seem to fill any purpose. Like, I also like to stay warm. I don't know. It's just not... It's the kind of thing I might have bought at Target for like $10, $15, but I'm probably not spending quite a lot of money on it. Because this one was $58, so I don't like it enough for that. Other thing that I was a little torn on. Oh, things are just falling off my lap. This is the jean jacket, if it would look right for me. There we go, jean jacket. It was a nice fit. I am a little confused as to why they didn't put side pockets in. They have breast pockets, but not side pockets. And I still don't quite know what this costs. I had it on the website when I was finishing my order, and I didn't really look because, like, it's nice. It fit nicely, but I don't wear jean jackets that much, or else I probably already have one. And meh. Especially since we're going into spring and we're going to start doing a lot more tank tops and stuff anyway. I'm guessing this was still in the winter section of their styling people. And then other thing I'm sending back are these jeans. The jeans with the texture in the holes. The fit overall wasn't horrible. It's just it was a little tight on my calves and just kind of hugged certain parts in a way that looked kind of weird. So, again, overall surprised by how well they fit. Normally jeans are really weird and hard for me to pin down the correct style size. But, so good on them for getting it pretty good. I don't think skinny jeans are my thing. Especially not for $84. So that's what I'm sending back. And then the things that I'm keeping. This. If I could get it right side out. This little wrap top. I know it's kind of a basic standard piece, like a wrap front black top is not super amazing, but this one sits really, really well on me, and it's really, really pretty, and I don't have a black wrap top yet. So, something that's cute and fun, and that I can wear to work. So, keeping. Just set it right next to me. And then I'm also keeping this olive green scoop neck tee. I really like how they cut the bottom of it. I really like this detail right here. Again, what is a pretty standard piece, but something that I have a lot of normal tank tops. And I think I have one olive green like scoop neck, but it's like a short sleeve. There's no detailing, and I do wear that one a lot, enough that it's starting to get some wear and some holes. So, good to have something else to use and wear around, and I really like that. I really like fastenings. They make me happy. So, I'm keeping that, and I don't know how they knew that I was really interested in jeans, because I haven't had a pair of jeans I liked in like 4 years. I've just switched over to yoga pants and leggings. Because the jeans that I did find that I liked were like $150, and so I bought one pair, and then when it started to get old, I was like, do I want to buy another one? So, something like this is actually really, really nice. So this one fit really, really well, super comfy. I like that it was the right length. I won't have to hem this because it sits me like right at the ankle. And yeah, so I'm keeping these. I have jeans I like again. So yeah, overall my experience has been really positive. I think I'm going to keep it. So overall, you send $20 in for the styling fee, and then that gets applied to your purchases. So I then paid an extra $190 to keep these 3 items, which again, averaging about 60-ish, a little bit more bucks a piece. But I'm thinking with the quality, especially with getting something like jeans. Jeans are not cheap, and especially jeans like this that fit so nicely for me. I'm interested in. I'm guessing the thing moving forward that's going to keep me from keeping more items will probably be price. But so far, I like these. And I don't know if you can pause it. We'll have to look into that and see. At some point, I'll probably end up with enough clothes that I'll want to either pause it or stop it. But yeah, so I liked this. I had fun. Hopefully you guys had fun. I'm sorry that the lighting is kind of crap, but it's overcast outside, which means everything's fuzzy and weirdly exposed. And you have 5 days from receiving your package to try it on and decide what you're keeping and mail it back. So I can't really, even if I held off and tried to film tomorrow, there's no guarantee that the lighting was going to be any better. So hopefully you will see these items in upcoming things where I'm wearing them. Let me know if this is something you guys are interested in. I know we used to do subscription boxes, and I was kind of missing the subscription box, but not what I had previously. So, I'm interested in this. I'll hopefully find a better way to film it so that you can actually see a bit more detail on the clothing. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.